Yes, the basic origins of Clark Kent and his secret identity can and have long been viewed as a stereotype of immigrants' narratives. Think about it. The similarities are no coincidence. Most superheroes were created by sons of immigrants. Many superhero origins connect to either the story of immigrants or to their cultures. Even the Hulk was simply a Cold War era spin on Gollum from Jewish folklore. A significant note here is that these superhero stories reflect experiences of immigrants from Europe. They differ greatly from the experiences of immigrants from Asian and other non-European countries. In this lecture, we continue the discussion of In this lecture, we continue the discussion of the food industry's shift to the standardization and commercialization of convenience foods. We'll be talking about the National School Lunch Program and the metal lunch boxes of the 1950s through the 1980s. We'll also be talking about the rise of and concerns over ready-to-eat foods, specifically boxed cereal and frozen TV dinners. One growing industry at this time was television. Americans wanted to include a new television for their living rooms. Sales of TVs in many cities grew from hundreds per year to tens of thousands by the end of the 1950s. That decade ushered in the first wave of series television, mostly westerns, comedies, and variety shows. As TV shows and movies captured the imagination and the money of the masses, packaged food and related marketing found a new canvas in three new areas: metal lunchboxes, ready-to-eat box cereals, and frozen TV dinners. Kids felt pride in their lunchboxes and felt a part of a group, whether that was some slight connection to a TV show or simply having something in common with friends who bought the same lunchbox. Perhaps the metal lunchboxes reflected what was going on in the minds of America's youth during the Cold War. According to the Lunchbox Field Guide, the early days of the metal lunchbox era, quote-unquote, capitalized on the popularity of America's fascination with cartoon and film heroes and villains. Featured characters epitomized the range of different characters that kids of that era held as the American hero. Astronauts and athletes, bionic agents and buccaneers, cowboys and cops, musicians and movie stars, pirates and paramedics. Back in the 70s, my favorite TV show, my favorite hero, and even my favorite lunchbox was that of the $6 Million Man. Buying the right lunchbox was
Hello, I am practicing safe social distancing, but using Zoom and this background, I'm making it look like I'm coming from our nation's capital. Hello, I am still practicing social distancing, but using Zoom and this background, I'm making it look as if I'm coming to you live from Northeastern University's main campus in Boston.